Here's something most LLC owners don't think about until it's too late, and it's who actually owns your intellectual property. And so you form the LLC, you hire someone to build your website, to design your logo, to build software, and you paid for it, so you assume the company owns it. And that's just not necessarily the case always. Under copyright law, the person who creates the work owns it by default, so not the person who paid for it. And independent contractors, which is what you use for a logo like that, don't automatically fall under work for hire. You need a written assignment of that IP. And that means your web developer might legally own your website code, your designer might own your logo, the contractor who built your systems, they might own those too. And so you got to just be aware of that. And you won't find out until there's a dispute or you try to sell. Because when a buyer's attorney asks for an IP audit and you can't show documentation, that deal falls apart fast over something that could have been fixed for a few $100s if you're just aware of it. So here's what you need to do. Anytime someone creates something for your business, get a written agreement assigning ownership to the LLC. Not you personally, but the LLC. And if you build assets before forming the entity, you need to formally assign those over too, because you as a person are separate from the LLC, and IP ownership is not automatic just because you paid for it. And business law, ownership is all about documentation. And if your LLC doesn't own its core assets on paper, that liability shield isn't protecting what you think it is.